Welcome, everyone. Today, let's see how to perform a 2D circular operation. First, let's create the setup. Alright, once the setup is complete, let's see how to perform a circular operation. First, I'll add a face operation to this. Alright, now go to the 2D toolbar at the top and select the circular operation. After that, select a suitable tool or create a new one if needed. Alright, after that, go to the geometry menu and select the circular face where you want to perform the operation. As soon as you select that face, your toolpath will be generated and displayed right there. After that, go to the heights menu and adjust the heights to match how you want to perform your operation. Alright, next, when you go to the passes menu, first select the compensation type. Then, you'll see you can give a multiple depth, which means you can give a step down to the tool for your operation. You probably know why we give a step down. Similarly, you can also select the cutting direction here. You can choose either climb mill or conventional mill. However, since we mostly use climb mill, I won't change that. I assume you already know about climb mill and conventional mill. Okay, let's look at the passes menu like this. Alright, previously I showed you how to do the operation with just one toolpath. However, in some situations, that can be difficult. If there's too much material to remove, our tool can get damaged, and there's a higher chance of harming the workpiece. So, we can use the multiple passes option here. This allows us to specify how many step overs we need and also define the step over distance. Let's give it a try.